Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So today I want to show you guys how to use Chat GPT and Pictory to make YouTube videos easy and within a couple of minutes. And specifically today, I'm going to do the short form videos, which is YouTube Shorts. And the reason why I'm doing this is because it's a little bit more fun to create than the long form videos, because the long form videos take maybe a couple minutes more than the short form videos because you have to go through more clips. But without further ado, I'm going to just go ahead and jump into it. Oh, by the way, you want to get monetized first, and short form video is a ideal way and the fastest way to probably get monetized because you get exposure immediately and you can get your 100 subscribers faster than the long form videos. And by the way, you need the 100 million public views in the shorts within the 90-day mark. So if you get all that, you'll get monetized. And they started doing this in you start getting monetized in February 1st, so just recently. So without further ado, gonna show you my analytics on the revenue. So I've been making long form videos, as you see, and this is pretty quick for me to make long term videos. I don't hire out editors, I don't hire out script writers, I don't hire out video editors or voiceover. It's all just me right now. So right now it's fairly decent right now. Last month I was at $700 ish right over here, as you can tell. So right now it's growing steadily, but it's not much. Oh, I don't want to say it's not much, but it's a good amount for me to go out and buy grocery, put gas in my car, and etc. So this is a good amount for me in terms of what I'm making. So I'm gonna go first things first. Before starting, you start making videos, you want to have a good keyword, because with good keywords you want to rank in Google, and also people search for these keywords. So if you have affiliate programs that you're in, it's really good to plug your affiliate program in and then also get commission on the side. So I use Ubersuggest, like in my other videos I've used Ubersuggest to do my keyword, and it's not the best of the best, but it's doable because it's free. And by the way, there's only one paid subscription, one program that you have to pay, and I think it's well worth it for just a couple of bucks. So Ubersuggest your keyword. So I found one just earlier. I was typing in, where is my keyword? How to relax. I just plug it in. It could be a meditation channel that you're wanting to grow, or a relaxation channel. Just find a niche that you are passionate about or that you like. So I just plug in a phrase that I just randomly thought of in my head and type in how to relax. There was a couple of them that's good. Relax how to, that kind of didn't make sense, so I just kind of rolled that out. So you want to have a SEO difficulty score that's 30 or lower, or preferably in the green, so that way it's easier to rank, and you want to have a decent amount of volume. Anything above 500 right now is good, because it's really difficult to find something that's like a extremely high volume with a low SEO difficulty. So right now this is a really good volume in terms of 1,600 people are searching for this. So I would say I'll just take this keyword, how to relax from anxiety, copy it, and then the next step is to basically write your script. And I go over to Chat GPT, write my script. So the one thing that I wanted to do is write a short script. Right, basically, can you write me a script that's less than 1 minute long about how to relax from anxiety? So just click this. And then here's a script that's around 30 seconds. Maybe you want to maybe longer, you could just, regenerate a script that makes sense to you. Or if you want a longer script, you could do that as well. So feeling anxious and stressed is a normal part of life, yada, yada, yada. And then it shows you step 1, take a deep breath, inhale slowly. This kind of makes sense. I'm not going to be picky because this is just going to be a sample run that I do for you guys. So if that all makes sense to you, I'm going to just go ahead. I'm not reading the script. I'm just going to copy it, because the next step you want to do is create the video itself. So I use Pictory.ai. So this is the page of Pictory.ai, and by the way, it's a paid service. So I think I don't want to put a price to it. You go check it out, but I do have a 20% off discount code down in the bottom, and I do get a little commission if you use it, but it's 20% off if you use this, and it save you hours of editing. Dude, this is really a no-brainer, but obviously you could use other platforms as well. I think there's a There's if you have other softwares that you go pick Pixabay to find your videos and you plug it in there and use Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro and just edit it yourself and have the scripts type out the script or captions on it as well, but that's a lot of time. But this just helped me streamline the process. So I'm gonna go to script to video. So this is the one that I choose. So proceed. I usually just copy and paste it here, and if there's like these boxes, I just delete this and I just edit all this. Hold on, I'll just speed this up so you don't have to watch this. So once that's done, you go over here and then you can just create your scene, create a scene on, let's say, line break. So there's a line break, every single line break, there's gonna be a new scene. So that is that. I'm gonna just go ahead and hit proceed, choose something that you want. It could be anything. I'm just gonna select this one. And then this is going to be the long form video, so it's going to be in landscape mode, and this is the vertical one. I want the vertical one, so if I want more subscribers or to grow a little bit faster, because short form videos are growing fast nowadays. So hit continue. So it's now going to be generating an ideal. It's not going to be perfect at first, because then you have to go in and mix and match or actually go in and match the video to the script itself. So right now, I have one long script right over here. Actually, I'm gonna just leave it as that. So I'm gonna edit this out. So if you could tell, if I just play this, it has some random music. It's gonna have some random music. It doesn't do anything. So this is just gonna be your rough draft, really rough draft. So I'm gonna edit this out, and you could actually see. So it says feeling anxious and stress is a normal part of life, but it's important to take a step back and relax. Here are a few simple ways to help you calm down and de-stress. So you can move this down over here and then have this girl do its stretch or so. So that seems perfectly fine. I'm gonna go into the next one and then take a deep breath. So this girl is taking a deep breath. It seems like she's taking a deep breath. And by the way, I'm gonna just let it sit there like that. Breathing. All right. And by the way, if you want to change the visuals, you just go ahead and click on visuals, and this will edit out the scene in the background. So right now it's like kind of weird clip. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in something about taking a nap or sleeping. Actually, this girl right over here sleeping looks pretty good. Right over here, and then you just move it down here. And this one says take care of your mental health. So it's just pretty relaxed. And then have this guy right over here relaxing. Put it down over here. It looks pretty good right now as of now. And obviously, if you don't want your text to be all bulky together like this, you could break it down, and to every word or so you have a different scene, or every sentence or so you have a different scene. So right now it's like a little bit clumped up together, but it is that's what I currently have it as. But you could definitely change it to something else. So elements right over here, stickers, gifs, emojis, you could add that. So now the audio part. Now if you're lazy and you don't want to do the audio voiceover, you can have AI to do it. But first, let me work on the background. So this is gonna be something about relaxing from anxiety. So you want to have something that's calm. So we're gonna look for a mood that is calm, peaceful. Did I pass? Where is it? Calm right over here. So just calm. I'm gonna hit apply. And these are all royalty free, so basically you won't get demonetized before copyright or anything like that. These are all good to go, and they have thousands of them. All right, so this is calm enough. I'm gonna just select this. Obviously, you could go over all the music that you want, and then voiceover. Voiceover, you can have male or female. Usually for something like this is probably gonna be in like a meditation kind of niche type of thing. So I'm gonna just use a female voice. Obviously, if you want a male voice, you could do that as well. So this from all the ones I've seen or heard, this one, I like this one the most. I'm gonna just hit apply and you can actually hear it. So I'm gonna preview this for you real quick. So it's generating a scene.
Feeling anxious and stressed is a normal part of life. But it's important to take a step back and relax. Here are a few simple ways to help you calm down and de-stress.
Obviously, this kind of scene wasn't that great because it kind of blocked a lot of her body. So it's not. I have to break this sentence down, but it is doable. You could break it down into more scenes, and then also have multiple clips changing in and out, because this kind of repeat itself. So this is not the best demonstration of it, but as of now, I think it's pretty good. I'm gonna hit a preview to run. Obviously, you could change your text and all and everything else on here, your style, your branding, your format, if you want to keep it in line with your brand. So I'm gonna just preview this, all of this. It's fairly simple to use, I want to say. The only thing that I probably didn't do the best is just having
feeling anxious and stressed is a normal part of life, but it's important to take a step back and relax. Here are a few simple ways to help you calm down and de-stress. Step 1. Take deep breaths. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this several times. Step 2. Practice mindfulness. Focus on your breathing in the present moment. Don't let your mind wander to the past or the future. Step 3. Engage in physical activity. Go for a walk, stretch, or do some light exercise to release pent-up energy and tension. Step 4. Get some rest. Take a nap or get a good night's sleep to rejuvenate your mind and body. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. So, make time for yourself and relax.
As just started, that's pretty good, I want to say. But obviously, you could always do better and improve as long as you create more videos. And if you were to do this one video a day and just post it out for 2 months, I could guarantee you that you will get views and you will get subscribers. You're not going to be able to monetize this within, like, let's say a couple weeks, but if you do this consistently and you have a passion for it, you're definitely going to get something. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions. And by the way, don't forget, if you like Pictory, something like this software, the link is down below. There's a 20% off offer you could use. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, comment box down below, and I'll catch you all next week.